Hey guys, so I thought I'd do a quick video to see how well the Mavic Air handles a 20-mile-an-hour wind with 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Not too sure how well it's going to handle this. Obviously I'm not going to fly high. I'm just going to, I have my vehicle blocking the wind for launching, go a little bit higher and see if it'll hover and hold its position. So here we go. Alright guys, so there is 20-mile-an-hour wind with 20 mile-an-hour wind with 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and it is having a very hard time holding its position. It is fighting the wind though. I highly don't recommend anybody does this or tries this. The app is actually not giving me, well, you can't see that. So I'm going to take it up probably a little bit higher, not much. Highly don't recommend you fly this at probably anything over a 15-mile-an-hour wind. But it sure is struggling to hold its position. And it's doing a darn good job. Alright, I'm going to land this before a big gust comes and blows it away. Have a good day, guys.